Okay, this is another piece of Brazilian pepper that I made a bowl from the other half. This will be similar, maybe too similar. Right now this is drilled out to clear the jaws of my chuck. However, this is high enough that I'm going to have to knock this down out to this circle. Now out here there won't be anything, but here I might have to knock down, and here I'll definitely have to knock down. And then that'll clear either this or this. Because this is one, I don't know, what did I say? 3/4 of an inch from here to here, but this is taller by quite a bit. That's 1 1/4 or more. And this is 7/8 or so. So I need that knocked down at least to where this 7/8 will clear, and then this here too. Okay, I've got this piece of Brazilian pepper Burl. It's the other half of the bowl I made earlier. This is the top right now. I basically cut away so I could put my woodworm screw. It's such a texture, I had to do some chiseling and sawing to get where it would attach correctly. There is a hole here, and if you look at where the center of the lathes, the live center is going to be, you can see that it's going to be hard to find a good attachment for this. So I may have to make this flat and use a face plate on this side. I don't know exactly how I'll go about doing that, but I think I can do it, because this has such a big hole here. I might not be able to get good attachment with a tenon or mortise. Well, I had a good sized couple of pieces of bark came off, and they came off nice enough that I was able to put them back on. So I put them back on with a mix of super glue and regular wood glue. So it's going to take me letting it sit for a little while before I can get back to work on it. Okay, I'm getting ready to put on my last coat of polyurethane. Looks pretty good. I like some of the features here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this is really thin right here, and there's a hole comes through, but there's still a nice bowl here. A lot of bark. I recovered some of this bark. This was going to come off. It had come off, but I put it back on. This bark was well attached, so it's still there. And I think that's it. So let me put a little bit of finish on, and then I'll turn the camera on. Okay, here's the second half of my Brazilian pepper burl. It's live edge. Some of the bark had to be reattached. I do especially like some of the features, particularly this very low edge here that has a hole all the way through. It turned out nice. It's maybe 6-7 inches across and 3 inches tall. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.